Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a photo card organizing video, just where I'll be putting my photo cards from my recent Nokia order into my binder. This is how many cards that I have to put away. It's quite a lot. I was going to film the Nokia package as a haul, but I did the whole thing and forgot to press record, so that's where we're at in my life right now. So in this first binder I'm just going to do boy groups. And let me just find the boy group cards. There's only 2 boy group cards, it's just Daniel, and then there's 2 ATEez bigger things. So coming into here, just going straight past all the group stuff. Moving into Jongho. Okay. There's I'm missing a couple of these things, but I haven't got any more for pockets. So I'm just going to be putting these in here. These are from the fellowship tour, the Japanese one in Japan. The Seoul ones had bigger ones, but these are the Japan big pictures. Can you even see that? There we go, that's better. Okay, and then moving on to King Daniel. I just have these pre-order cards from Cyan. The place that I ordered my album from forgot to add them into my order, which is totally understandable. It was through COVID-19, so I just bought some new ones instead. And it's just these 2 cards. I'm really close to finishing Cyan, I just need 2 cards per version. Which might not be as close as really close, but I count it as really close. I'm really excited to finish this. I really love him. Just everything about this TU was really good. And that is everything for this binder. On an update on this, I did in fact sell my music taste photo cards for this era. It made my collection feel really uneven because I didn't have M&T cards for any of the release, so I decided to get rid of them. Okay, moving on. Okay, this is my general girl groups binder, so basically anyone who isn't twice. And we have all of these cards. They're a bit jumbled because I dropped them. They all just slid out from underneath each other, which was the highlight of my day. Okay, is there any more? All of these are mainly twice. Yes. Okay. We will start with Luna, since they come first in the binder. Oh no, Eyes One actually comes first in the binder, then it's Luna. And then G-Friend. Okay. Coming straight past Yeri, I don't have anything for her this time. And then coming into Cheon. Okay, here we are. So I just have these 2 cards from the I Was version. I'm actually finished with Cheon now. I just need all the stuff to come in. So that is that version. And then I have all of her bigger stuff here as well. I just need to put this one card in. Here we go. Haha. Okay, I'm actually really excited to finish Bloom Eyes. I know they announced their comeback, so I'm technically not finished anymore, but for now I am. I also did these fillers because why not? Everything looked really empty. Moving on to Luna, going past Itzy. Itzy is finished for now. Okay, Luna. I just have this card, which I low-key, it's not really one of my favorites. I don't know why it's so dark. It's not a big fan, but to be honest, I really liked So What and I love Hash Era, so I've got it. And also I have the 2 XX cards on the way. Turns out I cannot speak. This is Hannah. I have a few things on the way for her. Okay, MG. I have quite a lot for MG. Starting with Parallel and then Rainbow. And it's this one, I think. Could be wrong. I'm always wrong, but whatever. Looks pretty. And then I have this rainbow card. Okay, moving on. I have almost no time for the Moonlight photo cards, which saddens me every day. Okay. Haha. Okay, G-Friend. Fever Season. I actually have finished Fever Season. I found her full set on Mercari and decided to just get it. I know I already had a few cards, but they'll just be up for trade or sale or whatever. And that is done. That is actually really nice to see. The backs are really nice. Finally, I finished. I'm getting so close to finishing G, it's not even funny. But G-Friend are due for a comeback in July, so clamoring again. Okay, moving on since we have so much twice to put away. Okay, this is my twice folder. Oof. I forgot to mention I made new cover sheets because I just sort of hated the other ones, and also I need to update what I collected for each member, but I kind of like these a little bit cleaner. So for Chaeyoung, I actually have all of this stuff, all of her, well not all, but most of her trading cards from the different eras. So it's exciting. I decided to collect them because they're just really cute, and also I wanted to expand my Chaeyoung collection without it getting sort of really expensive. Cool. Let's start with Twilights. Is Twilights first? I feel like it is. So for Twilights, there's 10 cards, and like within that there's 2 special cards, but I think I only have 5 cards right now. So I will put the special card in the middle. I'm gonna do 5 cards per page. I'll put these, and they like in pairs, the cards, I think. So I'm gonna put the 2 white ones above and then below. And then I'll put like the 2 red ones opposite each other, like that. And then on the new page here, I'll just put like these 2 neon ones opposite each other, and then like the other 2 here, and then the special one here, if that makes any sense. Cool. Moving on to Twi, I believe was next. I have quite a few for Twi. I think I'm only missing like 1. So, oh god. For Twi, there's 9 cards with 2 specials. So I'll be putting these specials in these 2 corners. These are so pretty. Cool. Now I just need to decide which ones I want in the middle. I really like this card, so I'm going to put this in the middle. Are there any more in this outfit? Yes. Cool, and the rest is just in the one outfit, I think. So I'll just put these here. I like sort of the same outfits to be together, and sort of any special cards be, I guess, in a nice pattern. I don't even know how to describe that, but yeah, like if they've got 2 specials and 10 cards, the specials go in the middle, 2 specials and 9 cards, and they go on the outskirts. It's like, so it's, I guess, symmetrical. And this is Twi, finished. Well, not finished, but put away. Moving on to Twice Halloween. There is 10 cards and 2 specials for these, so I'll just do the 5-5 thing again. But I think I don't have, oh, I have the 1 special. Cool. And most of the Halloween cards look very similar, but I might put all of the close-up ones, or like just, yeah. So all the closer ones on this page. These 2 are very similar, so I'm going to put them opposite. Awesome. I'll just probably just fill these in with white sleeves at some point. And then obviously the special will go in the middle, but I haven't got that one right now. What? Oh. And I kind of like this one here. Okay, so I'm missing 2 of these cards, which is great. Cool. And then finally we have the Twice University cards, all of these cards. I almost finished Twice University, but not quite. So these are the 2 specials. There's 10 cards and 2 specials this time. So every one had 2 specials and then 10 cards as well. Well, the 2 specials like within the 10 cards, but for some reason Twice said no to that. How annoying. Okay, so this jumper is actually iconic. Sort of the similar cards go together. These cards are so cute. I never really got the Twice University thing until they started releasing everything. Like when they released that rugby team picture, I was so confused. I was like, what are we doing, sports now? Like I will stand, I will support, but sports? I don't like sports, so. Okay, final page, and I do actually have both specials for this one. Boy, right. Then I'll just put these above and below for now. Oh, awesome, cool. Right, okay, we just put these in and I'll like go through them. Beach, go on. Oh my god. Haha. Cool. So this is where we're at currently. We have these Twice light cards. These Twice. The Halloween. And then Twice University. That makes me so happy. I can't believe I was able to finish them. Well, sort of get them close to finish so quickly. I love her so much. This blonde hair Che, I would absolutely have plastered everywhere if I could. I would make a wallpaper out of it and live in that room for the rest of my life. Wallpaper, bedsheet, all that kind of stuff. Of course I'm kidding, but I just love blonde hair Che. And stream more and more when it comes out. But thank you for watching. Yeah.